Yo, what's up, my peoples out there? I'm about to show y'all how I clean my bike. I'm about to show y'all, quick video of how how I'm gonna clean my bike and how I like cleaning my bike. For the next ride, you know what I mean? I wanna ride, I wanna ride with shine, you feel me? I wanna ride all eyes on me. I want that sun to hit my bike like crazy, you feel me? So I'm gonna show y'all how I clean my bike. First thing I'm gonna take my spare, nice baby right here, sexiness. What I like to use this at first, take out all the dust and everything. I use, towels and towel, I just use them, and I use and at the end I use this to shine it up. I use this a lot, Car washing it. So right now, I'm getting all my parts soapy, nice and clean. Taking everything out, rims, all that, taking everything out. I keep it like that, nice and soapy, and it looks pretty nice, and right now I'm gonna flip it over before I could, wash the wheels and everything. Clean the tires. Get the nice on the tires. And now I want to, you want to get your fenders, under your fenders especially, nice. You don't want that messed up. You know what I mean? You want to keep your bike nice and fresh. I love cleaning my bike, man. It's like the best feeling when you clean it, cause this is my baby right here, man. For real. So, and I love it, especially when I'm out riding. When I'm out riding, and the sun hits this bike. Crazy, like it's just mad sexy, like it's so beautiful, man. Like, I'm in love with my bike, for real. This is my baby right here. I know all of y'all out there too. You feel me? I know that's our baby too, man. For real, like I put time into this bike, money into this bike. The bike is beautiful to me. But this is the way I clean my bike. If y'all got any tips for me, anything like that, you can throw it down in the comments below. Comments is necessary. Just let me know how y'all do y'all bikes. What y'all use. Anything. So I'm just cleaning it up right now. Had all the soap off. Cleaning it off. What I like to do first, when I shine my bike up, I like to do my wheels first. I don't know why, but that's how I do it. I do my wheels first, and then everything else I do last. But my wheels always first. I don't know. I like my wheels mad shiny. Handlebars. It's nice, right? Look at them handlebars. Sexiness. Look at that. Crazy, right? And then I even shined up yet. Wait till I shine them shits up. Get a little bit more over here. Little by little, I'ma start adding more pieces into it because I'm not finished with this bike yet. I'm not finished with this bike yet. I still got a lot more things that I want to put on it. You know, if y'all got any tips, any ideas, you know, that y'all think I should put on my bike, let me know. Put it down in the comments below. I would like, you know, different opinions from different people. You know what I mean? What do you think I should do next? What should I get next? You know, with my baby right here. Make this shit look nice. I mean, got the candy, you know, candy apple red on it. You know what I mean? The pink makes it beautiful. I like this color gold. It's beautiful, sexy. And stuff that I use right here, you know, this is real good. You know, very nice. Thing it's good to polish. It polishes all metals. You know what I mean? It's real good. I like to do this first. Go like this, all of them. I try to hit every one of them, every spokes on them. And then I come to the other side. I'll do the same thing on the other side. See how I'm doing that? I'm going on, you know, this part right here of the bike. And the same routine, you know, just like that. I'll save it, I'll put it back, you know, and I come and grab a clean rag, you know, and I start from right here. If I won't lose my place, I start from right here. You know, this usually takes me about half an hour to 45 minutes, you know, cleaning all, you know, everything. Nice detail job, you know. About half an hour, you know. I usually go through the spokes and start shining it up. One by one, man. Like I just like my bike, my rims, especially my rims. I like them shiny. I like them real nice. I just finished the rims. Took me about, you know, 45 minutes. Got the back down too. Get on all of this first. You know, the bottom of everything. When I clean, I like to get everything. Every little spot. And I love rolling with my club, you know what I mean? Like, ever since I got this bike, it's been, you know, a different lifestyle for me. You know, I've been doing parades, you know, I've been doing different kind of things now, you know, and, you know, I'll be showing my bike up, you know, a lot. I'll be going to different events, you know, and, you know, I thank God, you know what I mean? I think, you know, I thank the club, you know, for you know, letting me be a part of y'all. You know, of the low life, the low rider bike life. You know what I mean? Cause I love all this stuff. You know, this is cool, man. I love it for real, for real. Shout out to all y'all. Shout out to all y'all. You know, low rider, loving bike, motherfuckers. You know, shout out. You know, one love for real, man. You know, grab a nice ride, clean it up. You know, hey, what's up? I can see y'all. Hey. But now I love doing this, man. This takes time doing this right here. You know, about an hour. And I can't wait to ride this, man, on the sun. Can't wait. Look at that. Well, guys, this is how my baby turned out. Stuff from the back. I like to do this. That's how it turned out. Beautiful baby. Nice and sexy. Well, let me know what y'all think about it. You know, and be a love, one love. You already know. I appreciate y'all for watching the video. You know, if y'all watched the whole way, I appreciate it a lot. You know, this bike means a lot to me, man. For real, man. It's one of my favorite. I love this. I love to ride this bike everywhere. You know, when I'm off work, when I'm not working, you know, and it's beautiful outside, I ride my bike, man, cause it makes me feel good inside. You know what I mean? It makes me feel like, yo, I earned this. You know, I made this. You know what I mean? You know, put pieces into it that I thought was really awesome, you know, and, you know, I created it my own way, you know what I mean? These bikes, you create it your own way, the way you like it, you know, but I'm gonna holla at y'all, you know, one love and good looking out for watching, you know, peace out.